Hi, this is Chuck, and you are watching a brief tutorial on how to add a survey response form to the wiki. So let's say you are part of the survey response team, which is terrific, and you receive a request to post the survey. Well, there's an excellent page to walk you through how to do this at Practitioner Survey Response Form Editor. Just has some interesting facts, some interesting steps on how to post it, some email templates, some how to create the page, and some other next steps that you can follow. But I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how to do this as well. So let's suppose that John Smith, PhD, sent in the survey response form. I actually kind of stole the text from this from, I believe, a John Abarda's survey response form. But I just want to simply show you how to do it. So the first step we're going to do is we're just going to copy the text that John Smith sent, and I'm going to create a page. To create the page, we're just going to go in the search box and do survey response colon space. Please note the space whenever we do these ones. Type the name, John Smith, comma, then his degree. In this case it's PhD, and hit enter. On this we're going to get a couple results, but really we're just going to see the red link. It says create the page, survey response, John Smith, PhD, and we're going to click on that. And we just created the page. So the next step is to paste in the text that we got from the response form, paste it in. And as you can see, all the formatting went away. This just means that we're going to have to go back and redo the formatting. So I'm going to delete the title here, bring this up. So the first step we just want to bold the text here. I'm going to do a quick preview to show you so we see the bold there. But as you can also see, the entire survey is just one long paragraph. This simply means that we need to add breaks in between after each question. So in the license number, I'm going to come down here and just do a break. To do the break, you're going to do this BR, just like this, space, dash, bracket. I'm going to go ahead and copy this for future use real fast. Copy. And I'm going to bold a couple more, and I want to show you what this looks like with the breaks. Bold, come down here, break. Let's do a quick preview. And as we can see, the questions are bold, and each question is its own line because of the breaks. The break is just a little snippet of code that simply tells the MediaWiki to start a new paragraph. So I'm going to do a couple more here just to show you how. Sometimes, like in this case, it's slightly difficult to find where it is, but I think it's right here. Here's the next question. Bold. And something there. Let's go back to preview again. And as you can see, it's kind of coming together. You could also probably add a little space in there, a little in between each one, but it's important to have the breaks. Once you have this, you can come down and just in the edit summary put created page, whatever summary you like. It doesn't have to be all that descriptive. And so now the page for survey response John Smith is created. The next step is simply to add it to the main landing page. So if we come down to find a TMS doctor, there's TMS professional survey responses. We can also get there by going to the search box. See in the first one there, and here we are. This is a list of all the other professional survey responses. In the case of John Smith, oh, by the way, before I do that, it's organized by doctors, therapists, physical therapists, physiotherapists, other professionals, and therapists who did not complete the survey but did respond. So John Smith, he's a therapist, so we're going to put him in the therapist section. I'm going to click the edit button down here. and I want to find where in the alphabet he is. It's going to be kind of far down because last name is Smith. It's organized by last names. So right after Sherman, right before Solomon. And basically here I'm just going to copy the other code that I see. So it looks like there's a space in between each one. Then we have the link. So I'm going to do survey response, colon, space, John Smith, PhD, bar, oops, I can't spell very well. John Smith, comma, PhD. Again, we have, when you do the link to a wiki page, the page name, bar, and then we're going to just have the display text right there. And then, as you saw before, let me do a quick preview. We have the American flag or the country flag. So we want to add the US flag next to John Smith. So we have another space here. And for this, I'm just going to copy what's above. If you're going to do the same thing that's already on, like it's already in the code, just use the other code. So I copied it. I'm going to paste it in. I have the US flag. Quick preview. And we should see John Smith right there. So let's save it. I'm going to call this a minor edit. You could put something in the summary if you wanted to as well. But we can, oops, scroll down or up. Computer's taking over. Click on John Smith. And here we are right back on the page. And that is how you add a survey response. If you have any questions at all, feel free to post about it on the forum and someone will be able to help you out. Thank you very much, and it's great to have you be part of the team.